Meaning of drop curtain.
Drop curtain.
Drop curtain.
Drop curtain.
Drop curtain. Drop curtain refers to a type of stage curtain that is lowered vertically, usually to conceal a set change or to mark the end of an act or performance. The result of dropping the curtain is a sudden and dramatic change of scene, which often heightens the audience's anticipation and excitement for what will come next. Depending on the specific production, lighting effects and music may also accompany the drop, further enhancing its impact. Overall, dropping the curtain is an effective tool for building suspense and momentum in theater and other live performance settings.